Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, from the background, as you can see, honey, we at Dollar Tree in a place to be, okay? Dina is on the MC. As you can see, it's really, really crowded in here. Thank you. Let's go in here, see what they have real quick. My son is waiting for me, so this is going to be easy peasy. Let me squeeze it, okay? Check them out, check them out, check them out. Child, where I tell you, you see these headbands, okay, happy Easter. These are styling and profiling. You get what I'm saying? Look at the bunny ears. Really, really cute. These are $1.25, honey. Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. Now, they also have these Easter eggs over here, the gold ones. You know I'm a gold girl. 6 pieces for $1.25. And look at the disco ball. Easter eggs, 4 pieces for $1.25. Honey, styling and profiling, if you ask me. And then they also have this beautiful garland with the colors. You know I'm a colors girl, okay? This is $1.25. 6 feet, $1.25. Now, if you're a person, you like, Dina, you know what, I'm looking for some Easter decor. Honey, Dollar Tree said, we in a place to be. We got you. We on the MC, okay? We at MC. That's what Dollar Tree said. Now, they have this decor right here. Is here. Easter is here. Easter blessings, faith, love, every bunny. Honey, this is so cute. You guys know when I come to Dollar Tree, my inner child comes out, okay? They also have the Happy Easter, $1.25 as well. Follow the bunny. He has the chocolate, okay? Really, really cool. And honey, Dollar Tree also have the metal carrot steaks, okay, for $1.25. Honey, get into this. What about the yard steaks with the egg? Really, really cute. Styling and profiling, $1.25. They also have the Cottontail Carrot Farm. Open daily bunny carrots, chocolates. Honey, this is cute. And look at this. You guys know I'm a details girl, okay? And what about the Mrs. Bunny, okay, with the decor? Honey, she is holding the basket with the eggs in there, okay? You can't tell her nothing. Fancy, pantsy, mancy. And look at Joe. Joe, give it a go, okay? $1.25, Mr. Bunny Man. Really, really cute. Dollar Tree said, listen, we fully stocked, okay? Come and check us out. They have the candy, everything your little heart desire, all right? 22 pops they have. They also have the 1 dozen roses, $3 that comes in different colors, red and also in white. They also have the pink roses, $1.25, honey, styling and profiling. Honey, who, Dollar Tree said, who want it? Now, item of the week is these Alma chocolate candies, okay? And look at the unicorn, how fancy is she, okay? And then they also have the Valentine cards, $1.25. They also have the lip pops, okay, $1.25 as well. Now, if you're a person, you was looking for some oven mittens, all right, Dollar Tree said, listen, we definitely got you. Easter oven mittens to be is there, $1.25. Now, let me tell you something about the oven mittens, okay? Now, if you go in that oven to take out that pie or whatever it is, honey, you better be quick, because these things, honey, they not they not they're good of a quality, just FYI, okay? Now, when it comes to the pot holders, you get 2 pot holders for $1.25. They also have these oven mitts with the eggs on them, and then they also have the pot holders to go with it. They also have the microfiber kitchen towels. Look at Dollar Tree being fancy, okay? So this microfiber, it goes with this oven mitt, and honey, they are really definitely styling and profiling. Get what I'm saying? Now, they also have these little bowls over here that goes with the oven mittens. You see how that's looking? Child, you better say it. Now, if you're a person, you in a down mood, honey, you need some colors in your life, okay? Honey, get out of that dark room, okay? And stop complaining about the things that's going on in your life as if you can't change it, because you sure can change it, okay? You got to change your perception. And these roses, honey, they gonna do it, okay? They gonna have you move your feet to the beat. They come in different colors, absolutely gorgeous, okay? They have the pink, the white, the purple, the red, the yellow, okay? Honey, this gonna brighten up your life. You got to do something different though. Now, if you're a person, you looking for hardware supplies, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Just in case if you didn't know, Dollar Tree is coming, all right? So they have this combination wrench set 6, all right, $3. They also have the screwdriver bit set. This is $3. Stub finders, $5. Electric screwdrivers, $5. They also have the screwdriver set, which is $5. 29 pieces. They have the padded work gloves, which is $5. They also have the lock and pliers, $5 as well. They also have the 1.75 laminated steel padlock. Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it, okay? They also have these bits over here, the screwdriver set, 14 pieces. I don't know, $1.25. Cork, honey, you name it, Dollar Tree said we gonna bring it. They also have the super gas treatment, fuel injector, okay? Those, I believe, are $1.25. There's no prices over here for these. Okay, if you are late to the party, honey, my name is Dina Bryant, and I do these shopping wars, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has these feminine bath bombs, $1.25. Still deal, you get 2. And then they also have the soothing cream, okay? This is for intimate parts. This is $1.25 as well. Now, I heard what you said. You said you want to get organized, okay? New Year's done came and gone, honey. You said this New Year's, you gonna be very organized. Now, Dollar Tree has these containers over here. These are $1.25. It comes with the lid. This is styling and profiling, honey. You gonna be organized in your life, okay, in style. Now, it comes in green. They also have brown, and they also have black. They also have these containers right here as well. These are really, really cute. Absolutely love these. She have the fancy design going on. They come in gray, blue, green, and also in pink. Now, if you're looking for some baskets, some other baskets, okay, that's more deep, okay, more depth, I would like to say that these baskets, they come in 2 different colors. They have the green and also the beige. Now, you guys know I am a greens girl, okay? These are $1.25. They also have the wire baskets. Now, when it comes to the wire baskets, my favorite kind of all times, it would definitely be the gold ones. In fact, I have 2 of these on my kitchen table, but the ones I have, they are like these, the circle ones, the oval ones. They also have these containers up here, 3 baskets for $1.25, and then they have these baskets over here, okay, and these are, let me see, slotted baskets, okay, which are $1.25. So whichever your little heart desire, child, okay, whatever kind of basket you are looking for, Dollar Tree said we definitely got something for everyone. For every person that's in the family, we got something for you, okay? These baskets are all $1.25. And what really caused my heart is these baskets right here. These are really, really cute. $1.25. They come in different colors. They have the green, the gray, the pink, the blue, styling and profiling. And then these are my fave, okay? Honey, I'm a details girl, okay? So when you see like these little circles, honey, styling and definitely profiling. All right, so if you're a person, you looking for smaller baskets, smaller drawers to put probably your jewelry or something in there. If you buy a lot of press-ons, okay, you could definitely put your nails and stuff in here, makeup, whatever your heart desire, you can definitely put it in here. I absolutely love these. It's a 2-drawer for $1.25. Now, they come in different colors. They have the pink, they also have the green, the gray, and then they also have the blue. $1.25. Now, calling all my creators out there, which we are all creators, okay, but I'm calling the fancy of the fanciest, okay, the ones that like doing the arts and crafts, okay. Now, Dollar Tree has this yarn over here, different textures, okay. This is $1.25. Whatever type of yarn you looking for, this is $1.25. This puts me in the mind of my aunt, one of my aunts. I remember she would do arts and crafts. She would make these beautiful dolls, and she would get some yarn and stuff. And I remember one time she had took me and my sister to an arts and crafts store that sold these things, right? But honey, for $1.25, this is definitely the best deal. Okay, really, really good. All right, and then if you are a person that loves doing the DIYs, Dollar Tree definitely has what you're looking for. Okay, they have these fancy pantsy mancy boxes, really, really cool, selling profiling. They also have these, I don't know what you would call this. Okay, a wood tray. All right, $1.25. Metal tags they have $1.25. Honey, whatever it is you looking for, all right, come and shop at Dollar Tree. Take a look, okay? Because I used to be one of those girls that say, I don't do no Dollar Tree, honey, until I came in here one day and started seeing what they had. Okay, now I'm in here every other day.